Making sense of quantifiers, a guide to countable nouns. Hello learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important aspect of English language learning, quantifiers and their usage with countable nouns. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how to use quantifiers like several, a few, and a couple of correctly with countable nouns. First things first, what are countable nouns? In English, countable nouns are things that we can count. They can be singular or plural. For example, book, apple, or table are countable nouns because we can have 1, 2, 3 or more of them. Now that we understand countable nouns, let's look at how we can use quantifiers with them. Several is used to mean more than a few but not a lot. For example, I have read several books on this topic. This means I have read more than a few but not a large number of books. A few signifies a small number, but more than one. For instance, I have a few apples. This implies that I have a small number of apples, more than one but not many. A couple of means two, or sometimes approximately two. For example, I'll be there in a couple of minutes. This means I will be there in about 2 minutes. While we have covered the basic usage, it's also important to know that the meaning of these quantifiers can slightly change depending on the context. Several can mean a few or many depending on what you're referring to. For example, she's written several books could be seen as many because writing books is a big task. A few could mean different quantities to different people. If a baker says, "We only sold a few cakes today," it might mean they sold fewer cakes than usual, not necessarily a small number. Similarly, a couple of doesn't always strictly mean two. It often indicates a small number, usually around 2. For example, I saw a couple of birds in the garden, could mean 2 or perhaps 3 or 4. Thank you for joining us today on this journey of understanding how to use quantifiers with countable nouns. Remember, practice is the key to getting comfortable with these concepts. So, try to use these quantifiers in your everyday English conversations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more English language learning videos. Happy learning!